not for all is the same because
It's for free.
this time they've done even more.
Spirits of Christmas has returned.
Very extravagant and only a few minutes away from Piccadilly Circus.
Guys, we reached Piccadilly Circus, one of my favorite places in the city of London. Fallen angels. But it seems to me a bit boring at the moment because
When the Christmas tree is going to be up, a sausage, German sausage, more beautiful than the other one, the Trafalgar Square.
yeah,
Let's have
indeed. Such a beautiful Christmas tree.
a larger Christmas market and in
Good evening, dear friends. Here you are again.
hello everyone, we are Wings to Fly and today we are in London.
You know, they turn on the Christmas lights in London on a few very important streets. So we are going to show you how the streets look like.
We are going to show you some amazing or incredible displays done of course for Christmas. Then I will say stay tuned, stay with us because you are not going to regret it.
For my taste, it's a bit too early because we are in early November, so Christmas is still far away.
But not for all is the same because I will say it's just perfect for people who loves Christmas, who love the nice and positive vibes. It's just perfect to enjoy for a longer period of time this amazing season of the year.
Yeah?
Let's get started with Oxford Street, one of the most important shopping streets from London.
Yes, and not only from London, from the whole world. Yes? So, get ready, put your card in a safe place, and let's enjoy. Guys, this is a first tips for you. If you are in Oxford Circus, just make sure to go up to the last floor in H&M stores and you can see the lights for free just behind the shelves with clothes.
And this is the best place from where you can take a wonderful picture. What do you think? It's nice. Okay, another good tips. A few years ago or more, I would say probably when we first came to London, we really enjoyed to take a ride pass to enjoy these all amazing Christmas lights. This time, they've done even more. I saw that it's a special Christmas lights bus. What this means, that if you are buying a ticket in there, they are going to give you a ride to the best places to enjoy the Christmas lights. And this is only if you are a little bit lazy or if it's too cold or if you have a good excuse. If not, I would say exploring by world. This is happening. It's so busy in here, trust me. But it's so amazing. The fact that it's so crowded makes it more wonderful. This is the best place to take a nice picture. For this, you are going to see lots of people in here on this aisle on the middle of the street.
Can you imagine they use like 5,000 stars to decorate the Oxford Street and not less than 300,000 LED bulbs?
Spirits of Christmas has returned to the second street we are going to show you today, which is Regent Street. Check this out.
And this is the third street that we are visiting and exploring in today's video. It's called Carnaby Street. We will say that this is the most artistic street. This year's theme is called Into the Light. I remember the last year it was something very extravagant and very creative, very artistic. This year is very simple, but probably this is a way to show people that sometimes simple is more.
If you are traveling with kids, don't miss this place.
Or don't come in here.
Oh yeah, depends from what point you're looking at. Guys, we reached Piccadilly Circus, one of my favorite places in the city of London. But it's not that famous as its neighbors, Oxford Street and Regent Street. Have a look.
And only a few minutes away from Piccadilly Circus is this incredible shop called Fortnum and Manson, and is amazing, guys. Please check out the display. It's absolutely incredible. I would like to say that I love the displays from Fortnum and Manson.
Oh.
It was so beautiful inside. Of course, it's very expensive, guys. Don't expect to find something cheap in there. It's not. And it's a very nice display. Kind of flowers.
Yeah,
coming
and
from the ceiling
animal.
down, and with a very nice and relaxing music. And the displays are very natural with the animals and are interactive. It's something like moving and beautiful, very interesting, nice.
For dinner, guys, we came to Franco Manca. From Piccadilly Circus, we are now going to
Trafalgar Square, but before to arrive there, you cannot miss the beautiful angels.
or Spirit of Christmas, but you are right. To me, looks more like angels, fallen angels. Dear friends, this is one of my favorite Christmas tree in London. I take here every friend or family who comes to visit us. But it seems to me a bit boring at the moment because it's every single year is just the same decoration. In my honest opinion, they should change a little bit from time to time.
We arrive in Trafalgar Square in less than 7 minutes, as we said. And yes, this is how it looks like now. But soon the Christmas tree is going to be up. I saw today in the news that it's going to be this year 56-year-old tree, and with a height of 20 meters. Then we arrive in the Christmas market. Let's have a look in here to see what we can find.
Guys, this place is tremendous. It's beautiful. I love it so much. This is my favorite square in the whole city of London. Unfortunately, as Maria was saying, the tree is not yet here. It didn't arrive yet from Norway, but it will be soon. So get ready.
Every year is the same. Beautiful. Okay, I think that you got the idea of the Christmas market from the Trafalgar Square. Just to give you an update about the prices, expect to pay around £6.50 for a cup of mulled wine, £11 for a sausage, German sausage. You'll get around 5 churros for £10. That's expensive. Okay, now we are heading to Covent Garden, and this is going to be our last destination.
Yes, yes.
And we are excited to go there.
Look
Because
at this
you know-
street. It's so beautiful.
That's beautiful as well. Everywhere in London is beautiful.
I believe London is one of the most beautiful cities in the whole world when it comes to the Christmas time.
Exactly. Look
Because
at
of
these
the
restaurants.
lights,
Full of people, and yeah, the vibe, the atmosphere is just amazing.
To reach Covent Garden, we are now in Leicester Square. So we want to film and show you there is a small Christmas market here in Leicester Square, beautiful,
Yeah.
and we believe it's worth visiting. What do you
Even
think?
this one, I think this one is more beautiful than the other one, the Trafalgar Square.
Yeah, yeah,
Let's have a look.
indeed. It's not that big, it's quite small.
No, it's not so small. I think
Really?
it's bigger. And I like it. I think it's nicer.
Just 3 souvenirs like this one is £10 in offer here in London. And dear friends, our final destination of this video, Covent Garden. Look, such a beautiful Christmas tree. And it's just the same. Every single year is the same. I like it so much, but it would be interesting to change a bit from time to time. Let's explore more to see what can we find.
It's beautiful. Same every year, but so amazing. And this is not all, because in here is a larger Christmas market, and inside in that area are the Christmas decorations, which are amazing.
It seems we are too late, so you should come earlier. They are closing now. Guys, Jubilee Market is not to be missed while in Covent Garden. Unfortunately, today is a bit late, so the vendors are closing down. But mostly you can find plenty of clothes here, souvenirs.
And here we are at the end of our amazing video. We say it's amazing because we say it's amazing. Don't forget to let us in the comments below your experience and your ideas. We are sure we missed a few places, but yeah, please let us know. Feel free to comment and say your idea and your opinion.
So let's do a pro and con. Are you starting?
Okay, I'm starting. I think one of the cons is the prices are very, very high, and especially if we are thinking that last year, honestly, I can see the difference.
Yeah, so honestly, you have to understand London is in top 5 most expensive cities in the whole world, so you have to take into consideration this fact. Which I don't really like is the fact that every Christmas, you know, from a resident point of view, every single Christmas the decorations are the same.
For the last 7 years, yes, have been the same.
With an exception, there is Carnaby Street, which is my favorite Christmas decorated street in London, which every year has a different theme, yeah. But this year is not the best, I would say.
As we mentioned, there are a few things that you can do on a budget, and I will say enjoy them and enjoy the atmosphere, the vibe, because it's amazing. Everywhere you go.
Definitely. So yeah, dear friends, let us know in the comments below what's your opinion. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channels. We are new to YouTube, and any suggestions, please feel free to share it with us. No?
See you next time at Winter Wonderland.
Wonderland.